Hello and welcome to another update video about the DXY. It's going to get interesting now because the DXY dropped into the middle of our target zone here for this move to the downside. In previous videos, we expected further downside in both of our scenarios. It's always good when you have two scenarios that point into the same direction, but now we have reached a pivot point, a decision point, a possible trend change point in which these two scenarios should diverge from each other. And so let's take a look at the main wave count, the main idea that we currently see. And to be honest, I'm starting to lean towards this white wave count, that we get a higher B wave. But, you know, this is only my view. I could be wrong. We have to be objective. So we take a look at the relevant pivot points in this particular video. So I'll take you through the two scenarios and then tell you my personal preference. So the idea is that off this low in this top in September, we moved down, or that we're actually currently moving down in an ABC correction. A wave, yeah. In the yellow count here, the B wave topped here in March, and we're now moving down in a C wave. ABC, very simple, hasn't changed from previous videos, all good. Small problem, this B wave was relatively shallow, and the move down here was not clearly impulsive. Besides that, everything's okay. Yeah. So what it now would need to do to fulfill the yellow count and to give some clarity with respect that the yellow wave count is working out and they would get a direct sell-off, that the B wave topped already in March, that we're heading down in a C wave now into the low $90 region. What would need to happen? I need to see price break first below $101.64, because this is the relevant bullish support level. If that breaks, probabilities will shift strongly towards the yellow wave count and that we're selling off. And that would be confirmed if price breaks below this significant swing low at $100.80, the swing low of the 14th of April. Okay, and then we should head down lower and get to $90. Okay, this is one wave count. However, because this B wave was so shallow here in March, it is also possible and actually fairly likely that we are putting in a higher B wave, that this B is actually sitting here. The A would then sit down here. And yeah, that we're forming here, as per the white wave count, an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave would come next. Target wise, I think we talked in previous videos around $108, so roughly, okay? But this is one that I'm starting to lean to, but obviously this is purely subjective. What is much more important is to understand, okay, what is the relevant pivot point? In this particular wave count, price needs to hold that 78.6 retracement level. That's for me the main deciding factor. This is where probabilities shift. This is the barrier between we go higher in a C wave of a larger B wave, or we go down lower to $90 and below. Just be aware that confirmation is never certainty, so markets can do what they want really. But you know, it's all about probabilities, right? So this is at the moment a possible trend change of the move down back into a C wave to the upside of a larger B wave. This is a pivot point. Now this is going to get interesting. Obviously I have no confirmation that a low has been made yet, other than a small reaction here to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. I would want to see, to confirm that we are indeed moving higher in a C wave, I would want to see a break above that $103.76 level here. A break above that would, in my opinion, confirm to a certain degree that the C wave is running. Okay, so this is really the relevant level down here, 101.64. So yeah, that should all be clear now. I mean, my preference is clear, but they are both likely wave counts. Always remember, I would never show you an unlikely wave count. I show you the most likely counts. And what is really the value of this analysis as always is the key pivot point. What is the relevant pivot point, the tradable pivot point where probabilities shift from a possibility for a C wave up towards direct downside. Okay, that's my update about the DXY. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.